You're in the middle of the summer and your pool may not be looking at best because of the hot weather and the water might be a little murky. You say, well, let me drain the pool, let me clean it. In this video, we're going to talk about several problems that you can encounter if you drain your swimming pool. Hi, I'm JC, CEO of J Designs Pool and Spa. Throughout the years, we get calls all the time about clients wanting to drain their swimming pools. There's a couple factors you need to know before you drain a swimming pool. So let's begin. A lot of pools are built in order to have the water inside. When you remove the water, the forces of the earth around it can be stronger, and pools may be out of level. And that come up with a question that a lot of people ask me, why is my pool popping out of the ground? Well, that's the main reason why, because it was emptied without proper information. One of the things that are also very important to know, if it is very hot and you're in the middle of the summer and you had some algae and you want to drain your pool in order to clean it, be careful when you do that. The substrate, which I mean by that, is the surface of your pool, the plaster installation. That is basically a cement that has been underwater for many years or a few years. But at the end of the day, the sun is going to dry it too fast. So it's going to break it out in layers instead of just being there. And you might not notice this right away, but in 3-4 months after you drained it, in a very high summer or very hot summer, you will notice that your plaster is delaminating. So that's a common mistake that people do as well. Now that you watched this video, you know a couple things about draining a swimming pool and what not to do. So please contract a swimming pool specialist or a swimming pool contractor that will help you during this process. Check out our learning center to learn more about swimming pool building. When you're ready to build the pool of your dreams, go to our website and book your appointment. Thanks for watching.